This video I will be reviewing my 2020 GoPro Minimalist Travel Kit. Majority of this travel kit fits inside this small GoPro case. There are two GoPro cases offered by GoPro. I bought this one from the store, and you can buy this case in the link down below. It comes with additional accessories, and you can pick and choose if you want this smaller GoPro case option. The other GoPro case that's offered is the GoPro Casey. It's a great case and it's larger and can fit several GoPros and more accessories. However, I really like the size of this case, and I have a small compact kit and it allows me to fit inside any of my bags as I'm traveling. I can definitely say the GoPro cases are better quality, and I really like the internal layout of the GoPro cases. In my opinion, the negative side of the Amazon Basics cases is they have a lot of foam inserts and you cannot fit as many items inside those cases. The Amazon Basics, however, are cheaper, and so I believe that is the best option if you're looking for the cheapest case. Let's open up this case and have a look inside. All throughout this video, as I show you what's inside my kit, you will see the prices in the top left hand corner. Here I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm still using the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I decided not to upgrade to the GoPro Hero 8. I believe the GoPro Hero 8 is a great camera if you're upgrading from the GoPro Hero 4 or GoPro Hero 5 or 6, but I believe the 7 is still just an awesome camera even in 2020. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is inside the Ulanzi case. In my opinion, this is the best case for external accessories. Here I have the GoPro audio adapter so we can get higher quality audio. It also has a mount if you're looking at using your Rode Video Micro or a light. I'm currently using the Ulanzi EM01 microphone. This is just a small microphone, and this really improves the GoPro Hero 7 quality. Here you can see it just plugs right in, and this is my small GoPro Hero 7. Here I have a GoPro backpack mount. This is just the same top backpack mount. It's a really cheap one that you can get off Amazon. There's several of these, and this is just a great option to get a different point of view for your GoPro camera as you're traveling around the world. I carry the original GoPro Hero 7 cage that the GoPro fits in. I just have this as a backup. Here I have 3 external batteries and the charger. This is a small SD card holder. You can hold full-size SD cards as well as micro SD. I really enjoy using this as it allows me to hold my SIM cards as well as I'm traveling in and out of different countries. In the top I have the GoPro Hero charger cable, as well as just a small accessory bag. Inside this bag I have a few items. I have the GoPro charging door that's currently removed. I have a USB adapter for micro and SD cards. I have an extra mounting screw. And here I have a lens cover. So here is all of my accessories that fit inside my kit. And so as you can see, this is a very small, manageable kit, and I believe this will help you as you're traveling around the world. Lastly, I want to mention 2 more items. I really recommend having some type of tripod or like a pole that you could put your GoPro on. Here, this is just a regular extension pole. If I was to buy another one, I would probably buy one that can float. However, this one has been great quality. It is pretty cheap. You can get a bunch of these on Amazon, all different types. If you do not have an extension pole and you're looking at making the purchase, I would definitely recommend buying a flexible tripod. This is the Shinvo flexible tripod. This is a new one that's come out. I really am excited to review this and use this. I believe it's better quality, and it's a lot cheaper than the GorillaPods. The main reason why I didn't get the GorillaPod is they're more expensive, and a lot of people say they fail after about 2 or 3 years of heavy use. So I'm really excited for this Shinvo tripod. It can hold a good amount of weight, as well as I believe it's just really good quality for the price. If I'm traveling, I usually pick the extension pole or the flexible tripod. I usually don't travel with both because the flexible tripod really works as both. You can use it to take pictures of yourself, but also get great time lapses. And I believe the flexible tripod is more of a variable option. As you can see, this is my 2020 GoPro Minimalist Travel Kit. All my components fit inside, besides an extension pole or the flexible tripod. I believe this is a great kit for around $500 with either of the options if you choose the extension pole or the flexible tripod. Again, I usually pick one of these to go with me as I travel, and they're really easy to clip onto the outside of a backpack, so they really don't take any extra space at all. With this kit, you literally can travel anywhere in the world, and it truly is a minimalist kit that gives you a lot of options when taking pictures or video on your trip. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. I hope to give you practical advice with finances, purchasing tech, and travel related items. The goal of this channel is to help you make good financial decisions.